invisible power across the empty space. They don't need to touch to feel the heavy pull. The laws of the universe, powerful and full. Is it an attraction or a push away? It depends on the charge they display. Coulomb's law, the force or the spark, connecting the dots in the light and the dark. Opposites attract, that's the golden rule. Like charges repel, stay physics cool. F equals K times Q1 Q2 divide by R squared. It's waiting for you. Bring them closer and the force will ignite. The distance is the key to the power and might. Double the range and the force starts to slide. By 4 it will drop, there's nowhere to hide. Constant K is the master of the scale. Newton is the unit that will never fail. Inverse square law, feel the repulsion. Physics in motion, a high-speed convulsion. In the dots in the light and the dark. Opposites attract, that's the golden rule. Like charges repel, stay physics cool. It's the force of the charge, measured in newtons. Don't forget the square of the distance.